All right, so the first way you're going to learn how to multiply polynomials is through distribution. So let me zoom in, make an example. But remember, distribute all the terms of the first polynomial. It doesn't matter if it's one term, two terms, three terms. Distribute all of them into the other polynomial. All right, simple first example. We have a monomial on the outside here, 3 times a binomial of x squared minus 7. Okay, so we've seen these before. We take this 3 over here and we distribute inside, not just once, but to all the terms inside. So it becomes 3 times x squared and 3 times negative 7. So what's 3 times x squared equal?
3x squared.
3x squared. And what is 3 times negative 7?
21.
Negative 21. All right, again, we have a monomial on the outside, negative 3x times a binomial x minus 2. Only one thing to distribute, that negative 3x will multiply inside to both terms. All right, so negative 3x times x. What's that equal?
3x squared.
Negative 3x squared. Negative 3x squared. In my next distribution, we would have negative 3x times negative 2. What happens here?
It would be negative 6. Negative 6x.
Very good. It becomes positive, right? Because negative 3x times negative 2 will make a positive 6x. All right, now we're multiplying a binomial times a binomial. X minus 2 times x minus 3. Same thing. Distribute all the terms in the first one into the second one. So let's do one at a time. The first term we have is x. That's going to multiply into both the terms in the other one. So x times x.
x2.
X to the square, x squared. X to the power 2. And then again, we haven't finished distributing that. X times negative 3. What's that become?
Negative 3x.
Good. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Next, we've already used all of this distributions. We still have negative 2 to do. So I'm going to use a different color. And it helps maybe to put the distributions underneath so you don't get confused. So negative 2 times x. Negative 2 times x. What does that equal? Good. Negative 2x. And the last distribution is negative 2 times negative 3. Very good. So positive 6 there. And always look to simplify. Can I simplify this thing? Yes, there's like terms. Like terms are in the middle there. We have minus 3x, minus 2x, combine it to make negative 5x minus 5x. X squared is still there, and so is the plus 6. So our final answer is x squared minus 5x plus 6. All right, let's do a practice problem here. Pattern 1 practice. We're going to do a binomial times a binomial. So let's go ahead and multiply x minus 7 times x minus 5. Remember to distribute all the first terms into all the other terms. All right, again, distribution. Distribute all the terms in the first one into the second one. So let me get my red pen out. There we go. X times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Let me do a different color here in this one. Negative 7 now. Don't forget the negative with it. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And then on the calculator, double check your math. Negative 7 times a negative 5 is a positive 35. Always simplify after you multiply. Combine like terms. We have like terms of negative 5x and negative 7x. Those combine to make negative 12x. Part of our answer still is x squared is the first term. The last term is plus 35. Hey, what would that be called?
Trinomial.
A trinomial. What's the degree there? 2, so it makes it a quadratic trinomial. A quadratic trinomial. May the math be with you.